this is a 500 capacity machine. You have to just plug it, switch on, and then this is the power switch. So we just on the switch. So here you can find the heater is on because the temperature what we have set is 37.5. Moment the temperature rises around 37.5, the temperature would be cut off, or the heater will be cut off. Okay. This is a light on off switch, and this is a egg turning switch, wherein egg turning indication, wherein you can find every 2 hours this light will be on. When the eggs will turn, this light will be on. This is our manual turning. Here we can press continuously you have to press, and the egg turning will be on inside. See, the moment I press it, you can find the indication is on as well. This is fuse. In any problem with the fluctuation of the power, anything, this fuse can be changed. So here we just open it. So here you can find the temperature was set for 37.2, and now the automatic turning has been started. It's 4 o'clock now here, and it has been started. So you can find for around 1 minute it will be on, the egg turning would be on. I'll immediately open the door so that you will understand how the egg turning takes place. So these are the setter trays. Here you can find 5 setter tray and 2 hatching trays. Okay. So this is how the turning takes place. This is the setter tray. You can place the eggs horizontally onto these channels. Okay. Make sure that you insert the tray correctly into the rad. This is the motor rad. Now it is turning. This is the position, correct position to observe it. So this is how the eggs turn. This is the portion wherein you keep the eggs for 18 days. This is the setter position wherein the eggs will be kept for 18 days. And after 18 days, there is a separate hatcher space. This is the hatcher. This is the hatcher wherein you keep the eggs for hatching for the next 3 days. So within 21 days you will get result for chicken eggs. And below all these trays there is a water bowl. So this is a water bowl. Make sure that you keep in front of the fan so that the air passes in and out of the water and the humidity is generated. Okay, so maintaining a 70 to 80 degrees of humidity and having a 37.5 temperature constantly will give you a great result.